Congratulations on purchasing your new Avia ceiling fan by Hunter. We'll walk you through installing the ceiling fan, but first, you'll need a few things. Use the machine screws provided with the outlet box when securing the bracket to an existing ceiling fan rated box. Remove the pre-installed set screw from the motor housing. Don't lose this screw. You'll need it later. Pass the wires through one horizontal side of the down rod. Hand tighten the down rod until it stops. Replace the set screw into the housing and tighten it with pliers. Do not hand tighten it. Cut the wires, leaving at least 8 inches extending from the top of the down rod. Use the green wire as a reference. Then strip 3/4 of an inch from the top of the wires. Slide the canopy over the down rod and wires. Do not pick the fan up by the canopy or wires. Place the down rod ball into the ceiling bracket slot. Slide the blue remote receiver on top of the down rod assembly. To connect the wires, push the bare metal ends of the wires together and slide a wire nut over them. Then, twist the wire nut clockwise until it's tight. Give it a gentle pull to make sure none of the wires are loose. You'll need to do this for the black ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire from the receiver, the yellow wire from the receiver to the black wire from the fan, the white ungrounded wire from the ceiling to both the white wire from the receiver and the white wire from the fan, the blue wire from the receiver to the blue wire from the fan, and the 3 grounding wires from the ceiling, down rod, and hanging bracket. The grounding wires will be green, green and yellow striped, or bare copper. For a dual light switch, tap the live wire by itself. Lift the canopy so the screw holes are aligned. Secure the canopy with the 2 canopy screws. Using 2 blade washers and 2 screws, attach the blade to the blade iron found inside the housing. Repeat for all 5 blades. Loosen the 2 pre-installed screws. Feed the wire plug through the center hole of the trim ring. Line up the holes in the trim ring with the screws. Wrap the slots around the screws and twist counterclockwise, making sure the screws are engaged in the keyhole slots. Install the 3rd screw, then tighten all 3 screws securely. Loosen the 3 pre-installed screws. Connect the plugs from the motor to the light kit, making sure to line up the colored markings on the connectors. Fit the light keyholes over the trim ring screws. Twist counterclockwise to secure the light kit into place, then tighten all 3 screws securely. Install the included light bulbs into the sockets. Lift the glass globe and align the notches in it with the tabs in the light kit. Attach it by lifting and turning the glass clockwise 1/3 of a full turn until it stops. Install the 2 included AAA batteries into the back of the handheld remote. The remote is already paired to the receiver and ready to use. Press the fan button to turn the fan on and off. Use the arrow buttons to adjust the fan speed. Press the light bulb button to turn the light on and off. Enable the dimming mode by pressing and holding the fan speed arrows at the same time. When dimming is enabled, press and hold the light bulb button to adjust the light brightness to your liking. Switch the direction of airflow by changing the direction of your ceiling fan. Use the reverse switch in the light kit. You will need to remove the glass to do this.